enough in New York has issued a tornado warning for Fairfield County in southern Connecticut, eastern Westchester
This is the same one.
southeast New York, until 12:30 p.m. At 11:53 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado 14 miles southwest of Ridgefield, or 6 miles northwest of Stamford, moving north at 35 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Georgetown, Danbury, and Bethel. When a tornado warning is issued based on Doppler radar, it means that strong rotation has been detected in the storm. A tornado may already be on the ground or is expected to develop shortly. If you are in the path of this dangerous storm, move indoors into the lowest level of the building. Stay away from windows. If driving, do not seek shelter under a highway overpass. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 12:30 p.m. for the following county: Fairfield County, Connecticut, and Westchester County, New York.